Away they go. The outstanding favorite Golden Pyramid sets a blistering pace, scorching the track, leads by 2, followed by entry number 3, Scarlet Minstrel. Golden Pyramid by the Real Scarlet Minstrel, and racing in third by some 2 lengths in Silly Devil. Prince Alik is racing in fourth by some 2 lengths. Wacky Diamond alongside fifth. Inside the last 800, Golden Pyramid, this time by about 2 lengths. Sincerely Devil is now running in second. Prince Alik rushing up. In between runners is Wacky Diamond. Another far turn, Golden Pyramid by about 2 lengths. Wacky Diamonds now running in second, Sincerely Devil. And on the outside, Prince Alik and Madam Isabel. As they race the final corner, Golden Pyramid, and on the outside is Wacky Diamond. Golden Pyramid, Wacky Diamond is on the outside. And nearing the last 100 meters more to run, Golden Pyramid, Wacky Diamond, and Sincerely Devil. But Golden Pyramid, this time by a length. And finally, Golden Pyramid, Wacky Diamond, Sincerely Devil, Divine Wisdom, Madam Isabel. Number 5, Prince Alik.